How to create new account on Roblox. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a brand new account on Roblox. Whether you are new to the platform or just need a fresh start, I'll walk you through every step of the process. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Roblox app on your phone. Once you have opened the Roblox app, you will get the interface like this. Here, you need to tap on Create Account button to start creating your account. Now here, you need to enter the required details including your date of birth, username and the passport choice. You can select your gender male or female if you want, but it is not required by Roblox. Your email address and cell phone number are not asked at this step, but you can enter those later in your account. And do not use your real name here as it will be publicly visible. You have to make up a unique name that is not used by anybody else on Roblox. You can use letters, digits, and only one underscore sign in your username. Usernames can only be 3 to 20 characters long. It will take some time to find a name which is not taken by someone. Also, make sure to create a strong password that cannot be guessed by anyone. And once you are done filling in the details, simply tap on Create Account button to finish the process. Now, you can save the password with Google Smart Lock if you don't want to enter your password when you log in from a different device. And that's it. You have successfully created a new Roblox account on your mobile device. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.